Hey ladies, if you are looking for a quality glueless lace wig, come shop with us here at Magic Hair Company, your favorite glueless lace wig store that also specializes in custom color here at Culver City, California. Our website is magichaircompany.com. Today I will show you our beautiful T Frontal wigs. Now some people are scared of a T Frontal. Why? You can still part this wig right in the middle. It still has a natural hairline. It still is less dense. And of course there's pre-bleached knots. All of the wigs from Magic Hair Company have pre-bleached knots. Beautiful baby hair around the entire hairline, and it's less dense, giving you a really natural look. So whether you get a T Frontal wig from us, a 360 lace wig from us, a front lace wig from us, or a full lace wig from us, you will never have to worry about that hairline looking natural. Here's another example of our beautiful T Frontal wigs, and our very last example we will show you is of our regular front lace caps. Both of these caps look the same in the front as far as the natural hairline. Shop with us at Magic Hair Company.